Actually, not because Septien Bagaskara, he is off the list regarding an injury. So I called up player from the champion, Persib Bandung, and his name is Beckham Putra. So I'm happy to welcome him in the national team of Indonesia.
Skuad Timnas Indonesia memulai latihan perdananya di Bali United Training Center sore ini. Timnas Indonesia akan melakukan training camp di Bali United Training Center selama seminggu ke depan. Latihan perdana sore ini diikuti oleh sebagian besar pemain Timnas Indonesia. Beberapa pemain seperti Tom Haye, Emil Audero Mulyadi, Ole Romeni, Joey Pelupesi dan Stefano Lillipali tampak telah hadir di Bali. Beberapa pemain Abroa Timnas masih belum bisa hadir di sesi latihan perdana sore ini. Pelatih Timnas Patrick Kluivert juga mengumumkan dirinya memanggil gelandang Persib Bandung Beckham Putra untuk menggantikan Septien Bagaskara yang harus absen karena cedera. Latihan perdana Timnas Indonesia dilakukan secara tertutup. Berikut suasana latihan perdana Timnas Indonesia di Bali United Training Center.
Halo. Halo. Halo.
Ini saja tolong satu. Good. Sore kakak.
Sore.
Halo Nathan.
Lillipali.
Hey Shane, how are you Shane? Halo Mas
Egi.
Halo. Halo Le. Woi.
Nadio.
Nadio.
Marcelino.
Marcel gimana kabarnya Marcel?
Pratama.
Halo Mas Rido.
Rido.
Actually, not because Septien Bagaskara, he's off the list regarding an injury. So I called up player from the champion, Persib Bandung, and his name is Beckham Putra. So I'm happy to welcome him in the national team of Indonesia.
Bagaimana melihat persaingan di timnas sendiri, Pak?
Bagus, suasana bagus. Ya, PC di sini sangat bagus, fasilitas klub juga masih bagus.
Sudah berkomunikasi dengan pemain lain, apalagi kan Stefano baru dipanggil nih.
Komunikasi ya, ya mereka sudah tahu saya sudah lama tidak dipanggil, tapi sekarang waktu baru ada kesempatan baru juga. Bagus.
Kalau melihat dengan gaya main timnas sekarang, Stefano pede apabila dipasang menjadi starting dan melengkapi timnas untuk bisa meraih 3 poin langsung.
Kalau saya lihat squad timnas sekarang, kita main home juga, kita harus ada 3 poin langsung, itu sangat penting. Kita harus menang di situ. Kita kasih maksimal.
Cina akan diperkuat 3 pemain naturalisasi. Seperti apa tanggapan?
Ya, kita juga ada banyak pemain naturalisasi, itu tidak masalah buat kita. Kita fokus untuk tim nasional Indonesia. Semoga memberikan terbaik untuk Indonesia.
Vano menjadi pemain paling senior di timnas. Banyak apakah memberikan masukan juga kepada pemain-pemain yang rata-rata di bawah 25 tahun juga?
Ya, ada banyak pemain muda juga, tapi yang lokal mereka sudah lama main di Liga Indonesia. Ya, yang lain mereka main di Eropa, ya, sangat bagus. Dan ya, pengalaman saya sudah lama di sini di Indonesia. Saya main di Eropa dulu, ya, itu bagus buat saya.
Vano, banyak yang memprediksi bahwa nanti Vano akan menggantikan Marcelino ketika melawan timnas. Bagaimana tanggapan Vano?
Saya di sini cuma saya main atau tidak main, saya bisa maksimal dari timnas, siapapun siapa main. Ya, yang penting bisa menang. Kita ada satu target, Indonesia lolos ke 8.
Yang membedakan timnas sekarang dan yang pernah Vano lalui itu?
Ya, sekarang naturalisasi juga, ya, juga, tapi penting fokus untuk sekarang. Yang dulu kita fokus untuk Piala Dunia, itu target kita. Ya.
This is, to get each other, to know each other a little bit more because they've been away a long time. Just to give the feeling back that we're going to do something important here in Indonesia.
What's your opinion about the Bali United Training Center?
Well, I mean, look around. This is a fantastic environment. The pitches are very good, and that's what we need to train with. Good pitch, good environment.
Can you give any information about our player condition, their physique, their mentality?
Well, mentality fantastic. Everybody wants to play. Everybody is eager to do fantastic things with the team. And well, now we're going to train. This is the first time that we are on the pitch, so we got more time than in the first games against Australia and Bahrain. So we really have the time to train the exact things that we want to see back in the game.
What menu? What menu?
What menu? Yes. Well, we have some passing drills. We have some finishing. But the most important thing is that they know what they need to do when they're on the pitch. So that's you need to train, because training is to repeat.
You already see the Chinese team.
Of course.
And what do you think about that?
Well, it's a good team. You never underestimate your opponent. But I'm a coach. I'm looking at my team and how I can harm the opponent. So the strength of my team is the most important thing always.
What kind of strategy?
Sorry?
What kind of strategy?
To Well, the most important thing is that we need to have the right mindset. Not only the first 11, but also the players who are on the bench. And winning is always important. We want to have it with fantastic football, but if we can win with ugly football, that's the most important thing, winning. Winning needs to be in our DNA.
What is the reason you call Stefan Lulling?
What's the reason? Well, he showed his quality. He's playing on a position which is very interesting for us, and he's got experience as well as a player, so he can also have influence on the younger players in our team.
Patrick, how many players that haven't joined the training today?
How many?
How many players that have not joined the training today?
Well, Justin is coming now, Justin Hubner, Kelvin Verdonk, Mace is still on the way, Jay of course is on the way, Martin Paes is not here, so 5-6 players are not on the training, but we always can training.
And the condition, any injured players?
Well, Septien is injured, as you know. Ragnar is injured, as you know, unfortunately. So probably I might call up another player. You never know.
How many points target to last matches?
That's a very interesting question. For sure, 3.
3?
For sure.
Yes,
No, for sure.
For sure, yeah.
But we go for 6, of course. But everybody knows that the 2 countries that we play against are not easy countries. So we have respect, but they have to respect us as well.
About Japan, maybe they will play with second team maybe.
Yeah, but that's a maybe. I don't know what the coach of Japan is planning, but we will come with the strongest team every game, of course.
Last question, guys.
This time you
Sandy Walsh, how about it? What condition Sandy Walsh?
The condition of Sandy Walsh.
Yeah, Sandy has an injury. I spoke with him yesterday. It's still not sure if he can come. So we need to check that with the doctor and also the doctor of Yokohama, of course, to have a look if it's necessary for Sandy to come and to join the team. If not, we have quite good players on his position as well. So that's the.
We are here. Selamat malam to everyone.
Wow.
Halo Garuda fans, saya sudah di sini di Sanur, siap untuk TC di Bali.